Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings and now scroll down to the system section. Now just go to the gestures, and here you'll see the double press power key section. That's now. And just to activate quick launch with you can by double press to your power key here on the right side of your phone, you can launch the assistant or camera. For example, we'll go into the camera, and now we'll just check that. Yes, can you see? We successfully activated our camera, and now you just also can, for example, launch the Google Assistant with your power button. And as can you see, now just confirm to turn on, and as can you see, our Google Assistant is activated now. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.